Mm?
She's some scatterer here, huh? That's the job there, isn't it?
Yeah. Vroom, 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 yeah.
Oh no. You open this one for Josh. Good boy, Matt. You're helping. Give it to Josh. Give it to Josh.
Oh, sorry. I know you're probably sick. Sorry. Open that one, Josh. Yeah.
Matt is helping.
That tractor, big lorry, and the car.
Okay.
Look at vroom, 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 vroom.
There's more for Josh.
A bell? Okay, not a bell. No, bell.
5 been in there. There's nothing left in there for you.
That's me something for Colin and Rachel.
I'm after giving out columns. No, here's columns from Rachel's here. I give it. This is the one from you, is it?
Yeah. Look at Natty, look.
Where did it
It's
go?
got very warm, or is it just me?
Oh, what did you get? There for Josh.
There for you.
Oh. All for me, all for Matty.
Oh, hold on, no, Matty's here. Hold on.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
All for me.
Oh, lucky you. Oh, lucky daddy.
You can open that one for Matty.
Oh, no, Matty will open it
Oh, why did
himself.
I get these?
Huh? Matty?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mateusz.
You know that. We did.
Okay. Thanks, Colin.
Matty.
Oh, this is going.
Ah.
Look at. Sorry, I'm opening this and I don't even know who I'm thanking for.
That is Jerry. Agate.
Very nice. You'll have plenty.
Yeah.
Keep you warm this cold winter.
This is from Jerry as well. That's from. I think that's from Jerry, I know. Oh no, here. We got that for Josh, did we?
Yeah.
Okay, we got
Yeah, I
that.
was
Sorry.
going to say.
Well, Matty got it for Josh.
Thank you very much.
Jerry.
You'll stink.
At least he smell nice and look nice.
Yeah. Now he won't take a shower at all. He just spray himself.
Just change the clothes and spray a bit.
And now he has plenty of clothes
Oh,
and
look at it. Josh, look at a guitar.
Oh no!
Jeez, he's gonna be in the band now.
A guitar. Wow, wee.
Look at him.
Working really hard.
Oh, wow.
That's from Matt.
Oh, Josh, are you helping too? Are you helping Matty? Good boy.
That's from Jerry. For you.
His hair are so long.
I know.
Are you opening the present? Open. Open. Look at. Oh. Mommy will be happy.
Yay! Thank
See,
you.
there's nothing. I have to get it.
Oh, thank you very, very much.
Rachel, do you know what Christmas presents? Christmas presents don't need the price on them.
She's like me.
Look at Matthew.
So how much we owe you?
Oh, there you go.
Yay!
There you go, Mommy.
Oh, thank you. Look. Humpty
Hello,
Dumpty.
you.
Where's the egg?
Look at.
There's the egg. Jajko. Oh, sorry. Yay.
What is it? What is it? Oh, another car.
Beep beep. Who got that from?